Brad Pitt is the best actor so far. Brad Pitt is the best actor by far. So far and by far. Is that a difference? We'll see. We use so far to talk about time. We use by far to compare. So far means until now. By far means by a great amount. We use so far to say that something is the situation until now, or this is what happened until now. By far is used only when we are comparing two or more items. Why? To show the huge difference between one item and all the other items. Car A is $5,000. Car B is $6,000. Car C is $50,000. So car C is the most expensive car by far, because there's a huge difference between car C and all the other cars. So it's not just the most expensive car among the three, it's the most expensive car by far. Another example, house A is $100,000. House B is $2 million and house C is $3 million. So house A is the cheapest house by far. It's not just the cheapest house. There is a huge difference in price between house A and all the other houses. So yeah, I can say house A is the cheapest house. But if I say is the cheapest house by far, I'm emphasizing that there's a huge difference in price between A and all the other houses. So you see the difference? Another example is, if you offer me a lot of foods and apple is one of them and all the other foods have a lot of fat content in them, I can say the apple is a healthy option by far. To make it easier for you, here I can teach you something about the word by, the preposition by. So by far, the key here is by far. We always use by to show difference. For example, she's younger than me by 5 years. By 5 years. We got there earlier by 5 minutes. It's cheaper by $2. They were late by 5 minutes. You get the difference. And by far means by great amount. So far is another way of saying until now. I have read 2 books so far. This is what I did till now. The movie is just okay so far. But maybe the second half of it will be more interesting. Most people think we use so far to compare, but that's not accurate. Actually, that's not completely true. So far doesn't add any comparative value. It just adds time to a sentence. I can say this is the best book so far. This is a better book so far. This is a good book so far. Until now, in my opinion, this is the best book. This might change. Until now, this is a better book than the other one. This might change. And until now, the book is good. But this might change. I might find it boring later. And yes, in that sense, I can use so far to compare things with the info. Now you tell me, what's the difference between Brad Pitt is the best actor so far and Brad Pitt is the best actor by far